So we got another unboxing. Super excited. I always like it when I see boxes from these guys come. Sometimes I know what's in them, sometimes I don't. Zane wants to be involved this time, so I'm letting him do the unboxing. Which means you get my poor camera skills. Because I don't have it just sitting up. What do we got? What do we got? What is it? So excited.
Yeah.
Oh, a garden quartz. It's a nice point. Oh, look at that beautiful piece. These I have a hard time selling. I'm just going to be honest. I want to keep all of them. I want them all to be a part of my life because they're so pretty. A little bit of a chip up there, but not a bad one.
No, that's an inclusion.
Right there?
Oh, it is, yeah. That is a chippy.
Mm-hmm. Oh, he's got another one going already. What do we got here? Oh, nice Dalmatian jasper. Nice Dalmatian jasper tower.
Ruby, this would UV, all the red would UV.
Oh, very nice. She's beautiful. I love these. I made chocolate chip mint ice cream.
Oh, another, yeah, one of these smushed E20s.
Oh, that's pretty.
I thought that could be for your massage.
Yeah. It's a Star of David. If you really look.
Not the Star of David, it's the smashed
No,
E20.
I'm telling you, if you look at it through here, that is a Star of David.
That's what you want to say.
Mm-hmm. Got 30 seconds, babe.
Lucky cat.
Oh, because everybody needs a lucky cat. And that is red veined jasper. Oh, looks like we got some palm stones.
Nope.
No? Oh, they're hedgehogs.
Hedgehog.